Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Mitch. Hopefully, you guys have been having a great Friday so far and a great evening and a great start to your weekend. I wanted to make a quick video. I was thinking about just not even doing a video tonight, but ongoing severe weather has me a little concerned between now and the overnight hours across portions of Arkansas, southern Missouri, even eastern areas of Oklahoma, and then point southeast across areas of the deep south, Mississippi and Alabama, a little bit later overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. So that's all we're going to focus on tonight. So if you guys have not subscribed, consider doing that. Like the video if you like it. We're going to just get down to the nitty gritty of things because there's not a lot to talk about, but I really want to mention this because this might be catching some people off guard as severe weather chances have really increased throughout the day. And, this event is unfolding right now. So right now, slight risk in effect for this entire area, just about the entire central to northern half of Arkansas. And that includes southern areas of Missouri and then eastern areas of Oklahoma for really tonight, a little bit later tonight for areas of Oklahoma. And then we get, but first, before we switch to that, I want to show you this. The tornado threat has increased. Remember this morning I was talking about just a 2% chance? They've increased this to a 5% chance. And I can tell you why here in a second. There's actually been reports of a damaging tornado on the ground in areas of northern Arkansas. And I'm about to show you that what I'm talking about here in a second on radar scope. But hail threat's still going to be a big deal here in the coming hours, especially in eastern Oklahoma and northwestern Arkansas and southwestern areas of Missouri as supercells are going to fire up overnight. And then tomorrow, we also, and this is really for the first half of the day tomorrow, a slight risk is up really for probably tomorrow morning into the first half of the day in general for your Saturday. Slight risk is up. This is actually increased from yesterday. So increased from this morning where we just had a marginal risk in this area. Sorry if I'm a little sloppy, guys. I'm just, I just thought I'd jump on here and give you some quick information. I didn't really think about this in my head before I started this, but I want to get this information out because this is unfolding kind of quickly. I'm not talking about widespread outbreak of damaging thunderstorms or anything like that, but this is what I'm talking about. This is an area. This is in northern Arkansas right here. So there's just one lone cell that's kind of fired up before we were kind of thinking the severe storms were going to get fired up tonight. And there's been plenty of reports of hail because of this storm, 1/2 inch diameter hail. This is a 3/4 of an inch diameter hail reported from this. This is an 1 3/4 inch diameter hail, golf ball size hail reported from this. And then we have reports of a 1/4 size hail in this region. And this is slamming as of 8:34 Eastern time, so 7:34 in y'all's time out in Missouri, slamming areas like Hardy, Arkansas, Cherokee Village, Arkansas. And you see this pink right here in purple. These are massive hail returns. This is basically telling us we're big time hails falling. Not only that, we have a tornado warning up. So the velocity scans show strong rotation, and there's actually been reports of a damaging tornado on the ground right now, or it was on the ground a few minutes ago. So, the sun's starting to go down in this area right now. I know here on the eastern U.S., it has already went down. It's dark where I am, but it's just now starting to fall in here. In fact, I'm going to look at my Twitter feed right here and see if there's any actually ground footage of anything right now. And based off what I'm seeing on my Twitter, I'm not seeing anything. I'm just seeing a ton of hail videos in this area where hail is absolutely covering the ground in this area of Arkansas right here. So stay safe. These will continue to fire up. And in fact, we're going to show you the latest HRRR model on what can unfold in the overnight hours. And we're going to start this. And really, the HRRR model is not doing a great job by picking up the cell. It does show a storm right here showing up around the 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. time frame tonight, which is about, I would say, 2 hours early. But it's showing this 2 hours later is what I'm trying to say. So it's pretty much showing, hey, a supercell was going to be right here, but maybe a little bit later tonight. In fact, and instead, it's happening right now. So convection is probably going to continue to fire up in this region of southeastern Missouri and northeastern Arkansas, basically the Quad States region. And then we're getting to the overnight hours. This will cluster up and congeal into an area of storms and start to move into western Tennessee. So Memphis probably after midnight or around midnight. You guys are going to see here some late night boomers for your Friday evening and overnight Friday, and maybe some heavy rain in central and western areas of Tennessee. This will begin to kind of seep into areas of northern northern Mississippi and northern Alabama. But look at these cells firing up here. These are in the overnight hours. So if you're in northeastern and eastern areas of Oklahoma and northwestern Arkansas, extreme southwestern areas of Missouri, you guys could get woken up by not only lightning and thunder, but with some nasty hail. So I encourage you guys. It's going to be impossible to predict exactly where these storms fire up, but I encourage you guys to really, put your cars under something if it is at all possible. Not everybody has car coverings, but these could be some nasty cells. And then the energy continues to fire up. And then not only do you have these ongoing storms down here in Mississippi and Alabama, you have another area of energy, a mesoscale convective system, basically a line of broken up showers and thunderstorms will continue to seep southward along a boundary here that continues to promote severe weather and a damaging wind threat really along this area right here as you're waking up tomorrow across Arkansas. You guys have been under the gun non-stop over the last, basically this entire year. Arkansas has been a target for Mother Nature, and it will continue to be the case into the next several hours. So be careful. This line of storms will continue to move through the morning hours tomorrow morning for your Saturday morning in Alabama, Mississippi, and Arkansas. In fact, we'll go on and just switch it to the deep south, and we'll quickly move this forward here. It's going to be a rocky morning across areas of Alabama, Mississippi. It's Jackson, Mississippi, Birmingham, Mississippi, Birmingham, Alabama. You guys could be definitely in for some showers and storms starting out your Saturday, and some of them can be severe. There's a slight risk up, and this will continue. In fact, we'll go on and switch it to the long range, which the next long range is about to come out, and it shows this lasting all the way through. It shows a severe weather threat being all the way through tomorrow afternoon and evening as more showers and storms fire up in central Mississippi. And the biggest threat with this is potential for hail and damaging winds with these showers and storms tomorrow. So not a very big tornado threat tomorrow across Alabama and Mississippi, but there will be a damaging wind threat for these showers and storms that do develop that could gradually drift into the panhandle of Florida as you're getting into your evening hours and then the overnight hours of tomorrow night into Sunday morning. So really, that's all I got, guys. Right now, still got this nasty cell report of wind damage, trees uprooted or snapped, roof blown off. Well, that's just a traditional report. That's not exactly probably what happened, but you already got convection firing up here in areas of western Tennessee. But this is a nasty storm right here that is producing some large hail. These are more mountainous areas, somewhat some hills. I don't pretend to know every geographical region in Arkansas, but I know the Ozarks are in here. So be safe. This will continue. We'll get this in motion. Let me move my picture out the way here. See if we can get this in motion for you guys. And here it is. It's kind of drifting southeast. So watch out, Black Rock, Walnut Ridge. We'll see if this holds together. About to sneeze. I don't know why it wouldn't, but this is definitely a damaging storm. Literally, could have a tornado with it, and it could have and it definitely has damaging hail if you're getting this nasty hail core right here. So stay safe tonight. Not everybody's going to see something, but the severe weather threat is certainly increased. So God bless all y'all. Stay safe tonight. I'll give y'all an update in the morning, and talk to y'all guys soon. Night.